Imagine a world where everything is in constant motion, where the slightest push could send an object hurtling forever. How would life be in such a world? In reality, we're governed by a set of rules that prevent such chaos. One of these rules is the first law of physics, also known as the law of conservation of energy. The first law of physics might sound intimidating at first, but it is actually a simple yet powerful concept that governs our universe. It states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred or transformed. In essence, it tells us that the total amount of energy in a closed system remains constant, no matter what happens within that system. Imagine you have a ball. You kick the ball and it flies through the air. The energy you used to kick the ball didn't just disappear. It transferred into the ball, causing it to move. The ball then loses energy as it rises, slowing down and eventually stopping, but that energy isn't lost. It transforms into potential energy, stored until the ball starts to fall back down. This constant transfer and transformation is what the first law of physics is all about. Breaking it down further, energy comes in many forms. There's kinetic energy, the energy of motion seen when you kick the ball. There's potential energy, stored up for later use like a drawn bow ready to release an arrow. There's thermal energy, the heat that warms your coffee. There's even chemical energy, stored in the food we eat and released to power our bodies. Each of these forms of energy can transform into another, but the total amount of energy doesn't change. Now let's summarize the key points about the first law of physics. First, energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred or transformed. This means the energy in a closed system, like our universe, remains constant. Second, energy comes in many forms, such as kinetic, potential, thermal, and chemical energy. These forms can transform into one another, but the total energy remains the same. Understanding the first law of physics opens up a world of possibilities. It helps explain why we can't have perpetual motion machines, why cars need fuel to run, and why we feel warm when the sun shines. It's a fundamental law that guides everything from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. And while it might seem like a simple principle, its implications are vast and profound. So next time you kick a ball, remember the intricate dance of energy transfer and transformation at play, guided by the first law of physics. It's not just a law, it's a symphony of energy, playing out in every moment of our lives.